Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best free IPTV player to your Amazon Fire Stick in 2025. It's super easy to set up on any Amazon device. And without any further ado, the very first step is you have to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. So we go to search on your Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader. And you can see Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings, so we click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now here what we have to do is turning on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see now, for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on 8-bit debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now finally, we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, open it, wait a moment for it to load, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on your line, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. And now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, open it up, and then head straight into Downloader on your Fire Stick. So we open Downloader, and now basically what you gotta do in here is open the search bar and start entering the link, which is gonna be TiviMate.com. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's TiviMate.com. Just like that, we enter the link. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link will not work for you. After that, click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Then the website will open up for you. You just have to scroll it down until you see that blue download APK button right here. Click on download and now just wait until the download finishes. Usually it doesn't take long. After that, of course, you also have to make sure to install the app to your device. So click on install and also wait a bit until the installation finishes. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go back to the list of apps on the Fire TV stick, here at the bottom you will find this new IPTV player, which we just installed for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access this app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally free of charge. And then of course, feel free to finally open this app on your Firestick device. And from here, it's really easy to set up. You just click on add a playlist. And now it all depends on whether your IPTV provider gave you an M3 link. If they gave you an M3 link, you select this option, click on enter URL, and just enter the link which was given to you by your IPTV provider. Alternatively, you can also use extreme codes in this app. You would need to select that option then, so you would click on extreme codes and then enter the link which is given to you by your provider, and also use a username and a password, which also should be given by your IPTV provider. And that's it. That's the easy way to get this amazing free IPTV player to any Amazon Fire Stick device. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.